So bro, meet the key. A parrot with wings and an agenda. They don't just fly, they investigate. They unscrew bolts. They steal GoPros and laugh while doing it. Ha 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 ha. Found only in New Zealand's snowy mountains, the key isn't building nests, it's planning mischief. Like pulling windshield wipers off cars or unzipping your backpack just to steal your snacks, then fly off, snacking midair like a boss dude. And if you think you're safe, think again. They've been seen working in teams. One distracts, the other steals. They're basically bird bandits. But how can you stay mad? They giggle, they dance, they slide down rooftops just for fun. They don't just play, they plan their mischief, like little green geniuses with wings. And if you ever meet one, hide your zippers and your lunch. Key parrots, the pranksters we didn't ask for, but 100% deserve.